This week I'm testing the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, and this is the plug-in hybrid model. These are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is I can fit 3 infant secure child seats across here. How fantastic is that? And legroom is really good in here too. We can fit a 184cm passenger or driver in front of a rear-facing child seat. Number 2 is being a plug-in hybrid. It's 55 kilometres of battery range is enough for me to do my daily commute and school runs, and then just charge it in the evening and really save on fuel. Number 3 is how fuss-free and get in and go the Eclipse Cross is. I really like that about it. I've really enjoyed driving the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross PHEV this week with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.